Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 304 or 316 stainless steel. These resist rust and take a good finish. Once chosen, cut wire or sheet to size using a jeweler saw or Dremel. Make clean edges because burrs cause poor joins. Make sure to wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask. Ventilate the area. Next, secure metal in a vise and use a mandrel or forming stake to shape basic curves. This gets you into the first actionable forming steps quickly and safely. Now focus on shaping and making durable joins. Use mandrels and smooth pliers to refine curves and file mating surfaces until they seat perfectly. This reduces stress on welds. For permanent joins, TIG welding gives clean results on stainless. Control heat to avoid warping. If you lack TIG, use a quality cold weld epoxy for decorative, low-stress parts. Clamp while curing. Once joined, anneal selectively with a torch to relieve hardness. Then polish edges so pieces align. Finish by sanding through progressive grits. Start 400, move to 800, then 1200, and finish with a polishing wheel and rouge for a mirror shine. If you prefer satin, bead blast, or use a Scotch-Brite pad for consistent texture. Seal with microcrystalline wax to enhance shine and reduce fingerprints. If things go wrong, inspect for pits or cracks. File shallow pits smooth. Re-weld any fractures, then re-anneal and re-polish. Finally, test closures and wear comfort before gifting or selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.